Good afternoon, friends. I'm Sapna Aggarwal, Creative Director of Ansa Interiors. Today, I'm going to talk about landscape design. Landscape design is not just restricted to bigger farmhouses or probably only just bigger areas and bigger houses. Even if you have a small front lawn, a small backyard, or just a balcony to design, we can do a lot with that. I'll just show you around this front lawn and then we'll discuss on how landscape design can add beauty to your house. So let's start by moving around. Landscape will look beautiful with the effects of green. An effect of green does not really mean you can't play with green colors. It means that you change the tones of greens. Add greens in your grass, add greens in your foliage, add green bushes, add green trees, but don't restrict to just one green color. Add a lot of variety in green as you see here. You can also add a green table that you will see here and just mix those green colors. It will look very fresh and inviting. Front lawn especially is a place where your guests will come in. So the more inviting and the more fresh it is, the beautiful it will look. And also you can mix in textures. That means it's not necessary that you need to just play with plants. You can play with rocks, you can play with pots. A brick red color especially adds awesome earthiness to your green lawns. Apart from the greenery that we have talked about, I would say that the cleaner your front lawn or your back lawn, the better it will look. So it's very, very important to keep it very clean, very trimmed. Something which is not trimmed, something which is ugly, full of papers, full of rubbish, it will not just look good, however beautiful it is. So we just move around and see. Add a little bit of color. A little bit of color like these in the flowers would just break that monotony of green. Also, when you step in here, you will see that I have designed this area with staircase leading to another level. We'll just walk down to see how it goes. Now here is another interesting sitting layout. So this is just a relaxing chill zone. Wood is an awesome combination with landscape. So something as relaxing as this armchair, this relaxing chair, a small bit of wind chime, a little bit of sitting, and here what you see is a little addition of water in a very different way. So you can see that we have water here, a small pieces of red brickwork of art displayed here, a lot of rocks, pebbles, a small table which is made up of wood and just logs kept in. But somehow the whole area becomes cozy, a sit out area for your morning tea, probably a barbecue area for your evening night parties, and just a chill out zone, probably just your detox area. Also, you can see here on this side is another sitting area that we have created. Now this is another very formal, informal kind of a dining arrangement for your friends who have just come in and you want to greet them, but not really on those formal dining areas. Also that you see there is a little bit of landscape done with the wooden palette and pebbles and white pebbles, a little bit of brass pots and a little bit of area for water. The whole setup is done up in an arrangement using very earthy elements of wrought iron, wood, color, pebbles. So a combination of hard and soft is something that you would love to mix in your kind of landscape areas. The whole freshness is so inviting, so welcoming that I'm sure your guests will love it. For interior designing consultancy, please contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. That's all for the day. Thank you. Bye-bye.